One man absent, sir.
What's up, Doc?
Do you think it possible that that man could stand a little further training in the care and use of the gas mask?
Remove and replace mask. Gas. Move 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 and replace mask. Gas. Ready? Exercise. Hut, hop, beep, hop, 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 hut, hop, beep, hop. Double time. Hut. Hut, hop, beep, hop, 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 hut, hop, beep, hop. Detail. Halt. Dismissed.
Pardon me. Gas on the stomach.
I'll surround him. Now you go that way. And, you go that way. And you... Oh, that's me. I'll go this way.
This is the life. Laying out here in the sunshine with the chirping of the bluebirds, the hum of the bees, and the smell of new mown hay, and apple blossoms, and fly paper.
Fly paper?
No mask. I didn't know you cared.